guys, my name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently we are inside Kumasi, Ashanti region, specifically Mamponteng, and we are about to fix our gate motor for this gate. The client installed this gate, beautiful gate, and then he wants to be able to operate the gates on his phone wherever he is in the world. And then also when he's home, he can use his remote or his indoor units for the video intercom system. So as usual, this is going to take like some 4 hours to finish up everything. Like I always say, if you have any projects, make sure you give us a call. We're going to show you the final work, yeah? Let's go. So we are done with our beautiful gates. We installed a smart motor for the client, and we did some integration. So the client can now operate these gates on his phone in America. And then when he's home, he can either use the remote or use the indoor unit of the video intercom to open the gate. So we are going to demonstrate how the gate works. Very smooth and very clean. Let me show you again. Alright, so if the client is inside and then maybe somebody presses the doorbell, he will be able to operate the gate on his phone. I'm going to demonstrate how that works as well. Okay? So we want to demonstrate how the intercom system is able to operate the gate. So you're going to press on the doorbell and then we pick it up from there. Let's go. All right, so let's go. All right, so I'm gonna speak to him. Yeah, Chairman, what's in Ghana?
Yeah, what's in Ghana?
Okay, maybe a gate, you know, with the intercom now inside, you know. So I'm gonna open the gate with the intercom. So the gate is open, you can see. All right, so the client can also close the gates with the indoor unit. So I'm going to do the same thing again. So I press on the padlock here. So you can see